Thanks for staying tuned to 15 on 15. Childbirth is painful. There is now a way for men to feel this kind of pain themselves. Take a look.
Mijn buik wordt gedrukt. Jesus Christ. Mijn lichaam wordt gewoon omhoog getrokken, jongen.
Two Dutch TV hosts were hooked up to a machine that creates a sensation of labor pain. As part of a stunt, these men were hooked up to a machine with electrodes stuck to their abdomen, all to stimulate labor pains, just like the real pain. The cramping, or contractions, get stronger, longer, and closer together. It is the kind of pain, even when it's not exactly real, makes grown men cry. All this time, only women knew the agony of childbirth, but now these two Dutch TV hosts knows all the screaming they see on the big screen in movies isn't just an act. Giving birth really actually hurts. On average, childbirth lasts between 12 to 14 hours. These guys only lasted for 2. Wait a minute though, experts say the pain is still not real enough, so it's not exactly childbirth experience, but it is a start for men to empathize with women.